The family of 3-year-old Tisha Bennett, who died a month ago at Black River Hospital, says the preliminary results of an autopsy conducted yesterday revealed signs that she had pneumonia. The family of young Tisha is preparing for her funeral, but the baby's death remains fresh in their minds. TVJ's Anthony LUGG has been tracking that story and has this primetime news follow-up.
Grave digging and meal preparation in progress ahead of 3-year-old Tisha Bennett's funeral on Sunday. Tisha's bright young face grabbed the attention of the country when the story about her death was aired on March 21. The 3-year-old died in her mother's arms at the Black River Hospital after being taken there due to an irregular breathing problem. Since then, relatives have blamed the child's death on negligence. Last month, relatives told our news team they did not sign off for the autopsy to be done. But why?
Because those people don't want to take the blame that is their neglect.
We do not satisfy for how Tisha Bennett are dead. We don't satisfy. So we need to talk to a lawyer and get to private investigate the matters.
Fast forward some 3 weeks later, the family signed the document and the autopsy was done at the Mandeville Regional Hospital on Monday with a doctor observing on the family's behalf.
The doctor tells pneumonia killer and she lost fall with the pneumonia.
But here's what Senior Medical Officer at the Black River Hospital, Sheriff IMORU, said a day after the baby died.
Was seen was advised to continue the medications that the specialist has prescribed, and we added something more to the regime that had been prescribed previously. The following day now, the child returned with the mother with the complaints of the same earache, was actually triaged and was waiting to be seen, was triaged at 10 o'clock, 10:07, and at 12:15 was actually pronounced dead while waiting to be seen.
We contacted Parish Manager at the St. Elizabeth Health Department, Sean Brissett, for a comment, but he said he could not provide us with details on the findings. In the meantime, the relatives of little Tisha say they'll not stop until they get justice.
If then they deal with the baby, take the baby from the mother and go to her, go to them and test him and see right now, say there is a breathing problem with her. The baby, and just take the baby, right? And just go deal with it, go give oxygen. Baby alive until there.
You know, my daughter could have get it. So all in my mind, I just thought, take it further on with her until I feel like I get justice to her.
Anthony LUGG, TVJ News.